Samsung Galaxy M01 is said to be priced at Rs. 8,999, while Galaxy M11 will reportedly carry the price tag of Rs. 10,999 for the 3GB plus 32GB option. Samsung Galaxy M11 and Galaxy M01 phones are set to launch in India tomorrow. Now, ahead of their launch, a Mumbai-based retailer has tipped the pricing of the upcoming Samsung phones along with the storage configurations. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy M11 and Galaxy M01 are currently listed on Flipkart, where the phone's limited hardware specifications are highlighted. As the names suggest, the Galaxy M11 and Galaxy M01 are the latest additions to the company's budget M series. Samsung Galaxy M11, Samsung Galaxy M01 price in India expected. According to Manish Khatri of Mumbai-based retailer Mahesh Telecom, the Samsung Galaxy M01 will be priced at Rs. 8,999 for the 3GB plus 32GB option. Whereas, the Samsung Galaxy M11 is said to cost Rs. 10,999 for the 3GB plus 32GB variant, while the phone will also allegedly come in 4GB plus 64GB option for the price of Rs. 12,999. Samsung Galaxy M11 and Galaxy M01, both will be launched tomorrow in India and will go on sale immediately after. Customers residing in containment zones across India will not be able to purchase the latest Samsung phones owing to the coronavirus pandemic. Samsung Galaxy M11 specifications. To recall, Samsung Galaxy M11 made its debut in March and features a 6.4-inch HD Plus Infinity O display. It also packs a 5,000 mAh battery. Additionally, the phone comes with a triple rear camera setup that includes a 13-megapixel primary sensor, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a 5-megapixel wide-angle shooter that has a field of view (FOV) of 115 degrees. Connectivity options on the phone include 4G, Wi-Fi 802.11b per gram in, Bluetooth 4.2, and GPS, AGPS. Samsung Galaxy M01 specifications expected. On the other hand, the Flipkart teaser reveals that the Samsung Galaxy M01 comes with a dual rear camera setup that includes a 13-megapixel primary sensor. There is also a 4,000 mAh battery. Moreover, an earlier report claims that the Galaxy M01 will pack a 5.7-inch HD plus 720 by 1560 pixels display. The phone is also said to have an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 SoC, paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of onboard storage. Don't forget to subscribe. Active Informing.